Welcome to the Pixels First EPOS tutorial. In this video, we will guide you on how to add, edit and delete a category. First, you need to exit the sales screen and go to the back office. Now, please go to the Items tab. Under the Items tab, there is a Category button. Click on the Category tab at the left top of the screen. If you want to create a new category, then you need to click the Add New button. If you are going to create a parent category, then make sure the top level is selected here and then type the name of the category in the category name field. To create a subcategory, simply choose the parent category first and enter the name of the subcategory in this field. Let's create a parent category. Simply type the name here. After writing the name, you can select between taxable or non-taxable type here. Select VAT 20 if it's taxable. After that, you can select the color of the text for category from here. Let's select the black color for that category. And same, you can select the background color as well. You can choose any random color you want. You can set an image for your category from here. After that, you need to click the Save button so that category will be saved in the software. Then, go to the sales screen. You can see the button for that category here. You can repeat this process to add as many categories as you need. Let's create a new category. So, exit the sales screen and go to the back office. And repeat the same process. Go to the Category tab and click on Add New button. Select the top level category. Then write the name of the category. So this time, let's do something different. Create a non-VAT category by selecting 0 here. You can select the colors for the text and background from here. And then, add an image, if you want. Click the Save button, as we did before. Your category is saved. Go to Sales screen, and in the Non-VAT tab, you can see your category. Because we select 0 VAT, that's why it shows in the Non-VAT tab. All the categories with 0 VAT are shown here. And all the other categories will show under the VAT tab. If you want to hide any category, then you need to go to the back office and select that category. Here, you need to unselect that option and click Save. Now you can see that category is hidden. Now, we will show you how to edit an existing category. Firstly, go back to the main office screen by clicking the Office tab here. Click on the Category tab on the left. Here, you can see all the categories. Please select the category you want to edit. Let's select Drinks, and try to edit its name. Let's change its name to Soft Drinks. Save it. After that, we will go back to the sales screen to see if it changes or not. Here you go, the name of the category is changed to Soft Drink. So with that method, you can edit any category. Now, we will teach you how to delete a category. For that, you need to go back to the main office. Here, select the category you want to delete. Let's take soft drink for example. You need to select the soft drink and press the Delete button down there. Here, you can see the category is deleted successfully. Let's go to the sales screen. You can see there is no drinks category anymore.
Please do not forget to subscribe our channel and like this video.